everyone, my name is Artana and I am from grade 3B. Today I am going to talk about my favorite animal, the elephant. Elephants are the largest land animal on earth. They have big ears, long trunk and thick grey skin. They live in Africa and Asia. They are very smart. They can communicate with each other by making sounds using their trunks. I love elephants because they are kind and gentle but also strong. Did you know elephants can live up to 60 years and they also love to stay close to their families just like we do. I think elephants are amazing and we should protect them to make sure that they live for many years. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.